If you struggle with dry, dehydrated, uneven skin tone and you're looking for Korean skincare products that are going to help you to even your skin tone and leave your skin hydrated and clear, then this video is for you. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. The products I'm going to talk about are from Korean skincare brand that is called Purito. Purito is a Korean skincare brand that focuses on clean product, they're cruelty free. So the first product I'm going to start with is this Defense Barrier pH cleanser. I just want to let you know that this video is unsponsored. These are my honest review after using these products. You can see how much I've used them. So I'm going to give my honest review, and we're also going to dive in the ingredients. I love products that have ingredients that are for your skin need. So the first product you're going to talk about is this Defense Barrier pH cleanser. I'm just going to do a little skincare routine as I tell you also how to use this product. And the first thing I love about this product is the ingredient in it. The first ingredient in this, some of the ingredients in this product is like centella. Centella helps to hydrate the skin and calm irritated skin. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it. This is the texture. It is a gel cleanser, but it is a foaming cleanser. And the other ingredients that I like about this Defense Barrier pH cleanser, so this is how it forms. It also has green tea. Green tea is antioxidant, so it's going to help to reduce, it's going to help with inflammation. So if you have dry sensitive skin, or if you have dry damaged barrier skin, or if you have acne prone skin, this tea tree is going to help you calm the inflammation in your skin. And I love the fact that it also fragrance free. It has a pH of 5.5 and it's gentle. It cleanses your skin without disturbing your skin natural barrier. So it's for all skin type. You can use it in the morning and also you can use it at night. So you just want to massage it in your skin for 60 seconds, then you rinse it off. When you have sensitive skin, you want to avoid products with fragrance in them. Fragrance can cause irritation to your sensitive skin. So this product doesn't have any fragrance in it. It leaves my skin moistured and it doesn't strip out this oil in my skin. The next product I'm going to talk about is this Deep Sea Droplet Serum. It does hydrate and nourish the skin. I was amazed on how they extract this deep sea water. So they say on their website that they go extract this deep sea water from 605 meters. They get it from northern part of Korea. So with that it is deep inside the sea, so it is away from pollution, it is away from any environmental aggressor. So it has some amazing ingredients like ingredients like marine complex, glasswood, it has sea grapes and also cape, which helps nourish the skin, leave the skin plump, and the fact that it's really lightweight and it does actually absorb to the skin. So this is how it leaves my skin. The fact that it comes from 605 deep inside the sea, so it's come with an amazing minerals like potassium, magnesium, and also calcium, which helps to balance moisture in the skin. So this is how it leaves the skin. I was not so sure with this product when I started using it, but look how it leaves the skin. It does I like sink inside your skin and leaves your skin very hydrated and it is fragrance free, as snow mushroom, which helps to hydrate the skin. So it feels hydrated and my skin feel like I have a lot of hydration in my skin, and also it feels moistured. The next product I'm going to talk about is this B5 Panol Rebarrier Cream. I believe you've seen this product in your TikTok. This is one product from Purito which has gone viral. It has gone viral because of the amazing ingredients that it has. It has some amazing ingredients like B5 Panol, which it has a Panol which is 10%, and it also has a centella asiatica extract. It has squalene, and it also has niacinamide. So let's walk down through these ingredients. So the first ingredients, that this is how it looks like, and I love that when you're buying products you need to look out for the ingredients that you're going to put in your skin, especially if you have dry sensitive skin, or if you have dry sensitive skin with acne prone, with acne and also hyperpigmentation. So this is how this product looks like. So it has some amazing ingredients like B5 Panol, which is 10%. Panol is one ingredient that will help to bind and hold water in your skin. So it holds that water from the hair in your skin layers. So it is 10% in this product, and to strengthen skin barrier, it also provide instant hydration to the skin. Let me apply it to my skin so that you can see how it will leave your skin. I must say, before I started using these Korean skincare products, especially these ones, before I started using Korean skincare product, my skin used to be very dull and very dehydrated, especially during winter. My skin is very, very dry. So when I started using this product, so this is how it's going to look to leave your skin. My skin is very moistured and my skin feels so hydrated. So it's Panol, which helps to bind and hold water in your skin layer, and it also helps to strengthen your skin barrier. So if you have damaged skin barrier, maybe from the sun, and also maybe irritation, this product is one of the best product for damaged skin barrier. And it also has some ingredients like niacinamide. Niacinamide will help with dull skin. It will even your skin tone. It will help with hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide also help to balance the whole production in your skin, and it also helps with inflammation responses. So it's feeling irritated, niacinamide is one ingredient that you look out for, and it also brighten dull skin. So all that is in this product. It is B5 Panol Rebarrier Cream, squalene. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but squalene is derived from 100% sugarcane. So it's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to hydrate the skin, lock in the moisture in your skin, boost your skin, boost the elasticity in your skin, and it will also nourish your skin. So this is one product that you need to look out for, especially if you have damaged skin barrier. I love these ingredients. Squalene also helps with cell turnover. One product that you need to get. This is one product. It has amazing ingredients. It feels giving. It's giving glass skin, is it? Look, my skin is very hydrated. My skin feels moistured. So the only thing I find with this product is that it's a cream, yes, but it's a very thin cream. So after using this product, you want to follow it with a moisturizer. So a moisturizer that I'm going to follow it with is this Deep Sea water cream. This is also from Purito. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So let me apply it in the skin so that you can see how it is. I love the fact this product, look at how it does absorb to the skin. It does absorb to the skin quickly without, it does absorb to the skin, it does moisture your skin without leaving your skin greasy. So this is how my skin is after applying a deep sea pure water cream. It has some amazing ingredients like sodium hyaluronate, which helps to hydrate the skin, and it also has marine complex, which helps to nourish and keep the skin hydrated. So this is how my skin looks like. It's giving glass skin, does it? Giving glass skin. It's giving glass skin. So if you're looking to start Korean skincare, this is, if you have dry, dehydrated, sensitive skin, this is a sign for you to get these products from Purito. They're amazing. It also has niacinamide, which helps to brighten the skin, helps with hyperpigmentation. I like the fact that these products, they have glycerin in them. Glycerin is in humectant. For dry and sensitive skin, deep sea droplet serum is for all skin types, and deep sea pure water cream is for dry to combination skin. A B5 Panol barrier cream is for dry and combination skin. So this is how my skin looks like. My skin, this is how this product leaves my skin. The thing that you want to remember is that when you use this Panol barrier cream, according to my experience, sometimes it leaves my skin a little bit. It will leave your skin a little. It is a cream, but it is a lighter cream, so you want to follow it with a moisturizer. So I follow it with this deep sea moisturizer. But look, these products will give you a clear skin if you use them. If you use them constantly in the morning and also at night. If you use them in the morning and also at night. So this is how my skin looks like. Let me just come close to the camera so that you can see how my skin is. I love the fact that the ingredients in these products are ingredients that are not going to disturb your skin barrier. They don't have fragrance in them. They are vegan friendly, and they are also cruelty free. They don't test on animals. And just to let you know that in this video we focus on ingredients that are going to help you with your skin concern. Like in today's video, we're talking about dry, dehydrated, sensitive, and uneven skin tone. These are the products that you need if you have dry, dehydrated, uneven skin tone. These are the Korean skincare that you need. So this is how my skin looks like. Let me know what you think about this product. Which product have you tried from Purito? And I will see you in my next video. This is the end of this video. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.